Open your TikTok app, you click on profile, click on sign up, click on use phone or email. Remember, we are treating on how to create TikTok account. So here now, I don't want to use this suggested number. I want to put a fresh number. I mean a new number. So I have to put my number. Remember, you must not use one number for two accounts. So this is a new number. I'll click on send code. They will send the code to me. I mean the confirmation code. So I will paste it there. After pasting it there, okay, what's the next thing? They have to confirm the phone number first before going on. So remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected to this account. Stay connected to this channel. And also follow us on Facebook at Samoski Tutorial Class with the same name we are having here. We are answering here on YouTube. Okay. So after that, you have to put your date of birth. Remember, anytime you want to go for forgotten password, you have to put your date of birth. So what I'm trying to tell you is that put your accurate date of birth. You get why? Okay, what's the next thing? 12 December 2023. You proceed. What's the next thing? You have to wait small. Okay. So what's the next thing? You have to put your password. After putting your password, you select your username. I mean your nickname. Remember, this one is not your username. This one is your nickname. You can put capital letter on this one. You can also give space on this one. So after putting your nickname, you click confirm. What's the next thing? You have created a new TikTok account. Remember to like this video if this video is helpful to you. Like and share. Also subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook. So what's the next thing? Since we have created it, we have to put our username. So you click on set up profile. You click on set up profile. Okay. That place where you are seeing user 532 that place is the place you're supposed to put your username. So here now, you delete this one and add your username. Remember, small letter throughout. You must not give a space. So it's very simple. The other one, you can also edit on the other one your nickname and add space and also put capital letter, but this one you cannot do it. Either you put your name and your surname without giving any space. So this is all about nickname on TikTok. Okay. While we are waiting, let me just put my nickname, my username very fast on. Okay, Chimde Ugonna. Okay, this one is okay. I'll click on save, set username. So what's the next thing? Go back to your TikTok. If you want to add your bio or other things, you do. If you want to follow other people, you do. So this is all about creating an account on TikTok. Remember to like and share the video.